Let me break down the 4 ways to build a long-lasting relationship, as explained by Psychologist. Communicate effectively. Communication is the foundation of a healthy relationship. This means listening actively, expressing yourself clearly, and making time to talk and share thoughts, feelings, and desires. Embrace vulnerability. Vulnerability is about being open and authentic with your partner, sharing your fears, hopes, and dreams. This helps build trust and intimacy, creating a deeper connection. It's important to be willing to take risks and be vulnerable, and to create a safe space for your partner to do the same. Show appreciation and gratitude. Showing appreciation and gratitude is essential in a relationship. This means expressing your gratitude for your partner and the relationship, celebrating milestones and special occasions, and showing appreciation for the little things your partner does. This helps build a positive and supportive environment in the relationship. Embrace imperfections and grow together. No one is perfect, and that's okay. Embracing imperfections means accepting each other's quirks and flaws, and supporting each other's growth and development. This means learning to forgive and move forward together, and not expecting perfection from each other. By following these 4 principles, you can build a strong and lasting relationship based on effective communication, vulnerability, appreciation, and a willingness to grow and learn together.